Hey everyone, welcome to VMS class. In this video, I am going to explain how to insert documents in MongoDB using Node.js. As we know that MongoDB is a NoSQL database that is going to store the data in the form of a document. So this document is in the form of JSON, JavaScript object notation that is mostly similar with the key and value pairs. And when you want to insert any document into the MongoDB database, first you have to create the database. And inside the database, you have to create the collection. And inside the collection, you are going to store the documents. And for this, I am going to create a database, school DB. And inside this school DB, I am going to create one collection that is called students. And inside this students collection, I am going to insert actual documents. Okay. So let us see the step-by-step procedure. How can we insert these documents into the MongoDB database? And basically, to execute this program, you must have the Node.js software in your computer. Okay, you can download it from the Node.js website and you should have the npm also. Okay, for installing the MongoDB driver. Now let us create one project folder and navigate to that folder. So I am creating one folder here. Let's name it as MongoDB node insert. Okay, let's copy this and open the command prompt. Okay, open the command prompt in the administrator permission. Now go to the D drive. Okay, so I have created a one folder MERN stack projects. Inside that, I am creating one directory now. mkdir MongoDB node insert. Let me open it and show you here. Now I have created this folder here, MongoDB node insert. Now you have to navigate to the directory cd space MongoDB node insert. So this is the first step. You have to create the directory and navigate to the directory. Then after inside this directory, now you are going to initialize the Node.js project. So how can we initialize the Node.js product? So with the help of npm init -y. So here -y which denotes that yes to all the default settings. Now let's initialize the project npm init -y. Now, this is going to initialize the Node.js project. So, which is going to generate one file that is called package.json. Okay. So, after initialization, you can find one file over here, package.json. So, for this, you need to have the internet connection. Now, you can see that package.json is created and you can find this file also in this directory. Okay. So, that is the step 2. Now, after that, you have to install the MongoDB driver. So, to install this, you are going to use npm install MongoDB. You can use this command npm install MongoDB. So, once you use this command, it is going to collect all the required packages here. And you can see this folder contains node underscore modules. Inside this, all the supporting packages are available here. Okay. Now, after that, if you want to insert the data, first try to open this MongoDB connection. So normally this MongoDB URL is 127.0.0.1 So this is the default port number. So if you try to open this in your browser or directly it will just open with MongoDB Compass so that the connection will be opened here. You see that now the MongoDB Compass is started. Okay, so it means that MongoDB server has started. So by default, when you are installing, there will be one option. Whenever you switch on your computer, MongoDB server is automatically started. Okay, so just an additional step. If might be the server is off, so you need to start that server. So that is the reason I have mentioned this point over here. Okay, now you can create a file named with the insert documents. Okay, this is my basically server.js program in our previous examples, but to make it some meaningful name, I am writing this insert documents.js. Okay, so open any notepad, any editor you can take. Okay, and now here I am going to copy paste this program. I will explain this program line by line. Now open the notepad, so copy and paste this code over here and save this file, save as, okay. So check this folder, MongoDB node insert in the same directory you have to store. So what is the name of the file? Insert documents, okay. Insert documents.js and select all files here and save it. Okay, let me walk through this program. Now the very first line here, we are going to import Mongo client from the MongoDB package, and Mongo client is used to connect with the Node.js with the MongoDB. And this line is about MongoDB connection URL. It stores the MongoDB server address in this variable URL. Okay, here MongoDB is running on your local computer. Okay, now I am creating a variable, okay, with the name of the database here, school db. Okay, what is the variable name here? Db name here. And inside that I want to create a collection, so I have given a name of the collection here, collection name equal to students. So now you can see that the next step, we are going to create an object for the Mongo client. The name of the object is here client. Now to insert documents, I have written a function. Okay, async function insert documents. So normally, why we are going to use this async here? The reason is the MongoDB all operations are taking some time. So that's why we need to wait all the insertions are completed. Now inside that I am using try block. Okay, await client.connect. We are going to establish the connection. So again here await means wait until this connection is established. So once it is established, we are going to display one message in the console connecting to MongoDB. Then after we are going to select the database. The database name here we have taken DB name. So it is full DB. Once it is used, then we are going to create a collection, db.collection with the collection name, whatever we have taken, students collection. Then we are going to insert the documents. For this, I have created an array of objects here. So each object is nothing but a document here. So this is an array of document. So the first document, name is Rahul, age 21, course computer science, city Delhi. The second document, okay, name Priya, age 22, course information technology, city Mumbai. And the third document, name Aman, age 20, course electronics, city Bangalore. Okay, so now this is my array of documents. So I can insert all these using insertMany. Okay, collection, the collection name dot insertMany students. We are going to insert all these documents into this collection. So again, await is just useful for wait till all the insertions happen. So once the insertions happen, we are going to display the count. How many documents are inserted? Result dot inserted count. Now we are going to display the recorded IDs. So whatever the IDs we are getting in the insertion process, for that we are going to display underscore ID for each document. And if you find any error in this try block, you are going to display error in the insertion process. And we are going to use the finally block here. Okay, so this finally block is mainly useful for closing the connections. So once you have opened the database connection, you need to try to close it. Even if you get error, we need to close the connection. That's why I am going to use this in the finally block. So once the connection is closed, we are going to display one message in the console MongoDB connection is closed. Now here we are going to call the function insert documents. So when you call, so this will come to insert functions, okay, here. So this will be executed. Okay. So try to understand. I have created a database, and inside that I have created a collection, and inside that I am going to store the documents. Clear? Now, now we need to execute this program. So how to execute it? So directly you can use a node space insert documents.js. Now it is going to establish the connection first. After establishing the connection, then it is going to insert the documents. You see that three documents are inserted. Then after I am displaying the IDs of those documents. Once it is completed, I am going to close the connection. Okay. Now, if you want, what you can do, you can open the Mongo shell. So that is what I mentioned. The next step, you can open Mongo shell. Okay. Then go to the Mongo shell here. Open the shell of MongoDB. Now you can use the database name. Okay. Or if you want, you can use a show DBs. What are all the available DBs? Now you can see my school DB is available. So what do you have to do? Use a school DB. Then you can show the collections using the show collections command. You see that students was created. Okay. Now I want to display the details. So what is the command? db.students.find. So db.students.find. Okay, it is going to display all the documents here. So it shows that all the documents are inserted successfully inside the students collection. Okay, so if you want, you can also open the MongoDB Compass. Okay, just refresh this, and you can find the school DB here. And inside that students collection is there. Here you can find all the three records are inserted. Okay, so this is the way, a step-by-step procedure how to insert documents in the MongoDB database. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for getting more updates on computer education. Thank you.